We're grilling steak in the woods for dinner. Today I brought Johnny Walker Black. We're going with a lovely ribeye today. I'm gonna go ahead and put the skillet in here and let it start getting warmed up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prep the steak. I'm gonna use one of these cheap mess kits. I always keep a couple of these cheaper mess kits. They are perfect to just throw in the truck. It doesn't matter if they get messed up, doesn't matter if they get dented, because they're super cheap. If you've got somebody hanging out with you, you can toss them one of these. They've got everything they need. Yeah. Always keep a little camp soap. I was planning on doing a baked potato in the fire and a steak over the fire. However, there is currently a no campfire order in place. It's been really dry recently. Since I can't do a campfire, I'm just gonna slice them up, put a little bit of oil and some seasoning on the potatoes, and just throw them in here on the grill with the steak. Fold this up into a little packet. Not too worried about it being perfect, just good enough to kind of keep in some of the moisture. On top of that butter. Yeah, there you go. Might as well. It's important to keep your tools clean. Don't ever forget to bring a pack out bag or a trash bag, a grocery bag, some sort of something that you can put your trash in to pack out. Ooh, she's looking good. Yeah, potatoes are done and they look amazing. That's what I like about tinfoil. You can come off a grill that's 400 degrees and in 15 seconds out in the cool air, you can handle the tinfoil just fine. So good. Now that is an overlanding meal. Getting a little chilly. Is it good enough to take home? Then I'll throw it in the dishwasher when I get there.